But first from MMR, a look at the Mumbai Metro project. If your investments in Mumbai have been motivated by the Mumbai Metro project, then you could be in for some disappointment. While the first route of Phase 1 is up and running, Phase 2 and Phase 3 of the Mumbai Metro still seem a long way from being a reality. Ankita Sinha takes stock of the progress.
Mumbai watched with delight as the long-awaited metro was flagged off on 8th June this year. The first route of Phase 1 connects Versova and Ghatkopar via Andheri. A major relief for commuters as well as a deciding factor boosting royalty prices in markets like Versova, Andheri East, Marol, Sakinaka and Ghatkopar. Now, with the first metro up and running, a confident state government has its eyes set on Phase 2 and Phase 3, which they say will be completed on time.
The second phase, yes, it will come. Metro will have Mumbai will have another metro which will go underground. It will start from VT to Bandra, and yes, this is also, we are going to do it very soon in our tenure of this term only.
Despite that assurance, the current status of these phases are worrying. The design layouts for the second metro line running from Charkop to Mankur via Bandra are yet to receive environmental clearances. The third route connecting Kolaba and Bandra is still being redesigned. The first phase met with similar problems and overshot the deadline by nearly 4 years and the provisioned budget by 1,960 crores. Keeping that in mind, experts believe the next phase will not make it on time.
To get the NOC from the railway is really horrible job. They can take unlimited time, not only 1 or 2 years, but they can take even 5-10 years. So unless this coordination is properly done in case of these metros, etc., or for other utilities, it is not possible to get the work done, and normally it takes a very long time.
Data from JLL indicates that the areas that benefit from metro connectivity saw prices rise by 400% over the past 8 years. This led to an increase in investor activity in the areas surrounding the upcoming phases. However, experts now expect the delays to have a negative impact on investor sentiment.
Emerging areas which are not yet fully established or stabilized, such as parts of Navi Mumbai, Thane, the distant suburbs, projects like metro, etc., have a lot of influence on investor sentiment as well as price appreciation. So if projects get delayed, and we know that projects are going to get delayed, then the investor sentiment might get hurt.
Experts are now calling for the government to consider bringing in outside help to finish the projects on time.
These are very complicated projects. The idea is for the success, they have to be done by the best and not just Indian best, but international best companies who are well equipped to handle these kind of issues.
Experts say that the next phase of the metro will be delayed. Will the government be able to prove them wrong, or will landowners have to wait for a long time to see the impact of metro on their property? Now that's something that remains to be seen. From Mumbai, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.